Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete save data on the Nintendo Switch. So in order to delete save data, what you need to do is go ahead and log into your account on your Nintendo Switch, go to your home screen, and then go all the way over to you see the gear icon that says System Settings. Go into System Settings, go all the way down here until you see Data Management. Go ahead and hit A on Data Management. And then what you're going to want to do is go all the way to the bottom and go to Delete Save Data. Now, be very careful, okay? Like if I were to delete the Animal Crossing save data here, my daughter would be devastated. So make sure that you're deleting the appropriate save data. So go ahead and select the game that you want to delete the save data for. And then if there are multiple users on a Nintendo Switch, you can see here that you can delete save data for just individual users or for all save data for everyone on the console. So go ahead and go to delete all save data for this software. It'll say deleted data cannot be recovered. Are you sure you want to do this? Understand that once it's deleted, it is gone forever. Nintendo cannot get it back for you. Go to delete save data and then let it load, and then it will say successfully deleted save data. Now, why would you do this? Maybe you want to clean up your Nintendo Switch. Maybe you are running out of space on your hard drive and you have old games that you're never going to go back and play again. That would be the reason as to why you would want to delete save data on the Nintendo Switch. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe for more great tech tutorials just like this, where we try to make tutorial videos that are short and straight to the point. Talk to you in the next video.